This is clean out our fridge freezer today since we've had nothing but 5 days of rain. And this, I've just pulled everything out of our freezer. It needs a good spring clean, and I'm going to clean all that up, stuff that's spilt over the past few months. But what a mess. So, anyone else? Okay, so this is our freezer. All nice and neat and organized. So there's all Mom's preserving stuff. Cheese, pierogies, all my soaping material, which is milks and stuff. And yeah. I absolutely love my air fryer, but today I am dehydrating these beautiful clearance clementines for botanicals for my soaps. Trying to do your laundry, and the dog is literally underneath the laundry. Okay, here they are there. Now watch this. Hey, let's go. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Good, yay!
Hey, they know where to go.
Yes, they do. Aren't they doing great?
Okay? They said, okay. The guys, go pick out a girl. It's a twist is coming up.
Yeah.
And I'm married to your dad.
Yeah.
This young, handsome dude came up and he chose me to go twist. And I go, but of course, your dad's not like that.
No,
right?
no, yeah.
So I did. I got up and twisted away from
You
him.
just twisted
We
away?
Just dropped in the wall. Oh my God, it was so much fun.
Oh, Mom, that's awesome.
Oh, yeah.
This homemade granola is so yummy. All right, I got 5 mason jars sealed of homemade, fresh, healthy granola. Okay, so this is my lunch, and I have my own homemade yogurt at the bottom, topped with some fresh strawberries. I cut up some bananas, and that is Mom's homemade mango and raspberry jam. And now I'm going to add some of my homemade, freshly made granola. I'm going to give it a good dose. And we're going to give this a try. Okay, now I'm going to give it a try. That's very good. Awesome. I may have decided to make some tarts today too.